Money is not everything, but it is something that we all need on our daily basis. For example, some of us work from 9 to 5, some of us could be an entrepreneur, but we all exchange our times with money. But we also have to leverage this. So you don't need to put your effort for 8 hours a day or more than that and then make money. You have to do something, and while you are doing this, it could be like, it has to be opposite. You will have to spend less time but make more money. So what could this be? If you're in this video, I think you are into mobile applications, and probably your major aim for the mobile application is making money. And you are in the right address, of course. Mobiroller provides several different ways of making money. I'm going to show how can you make money, what kind of options do you have, and I think you will be using these methods to make money. So from time to time you will spend less effort on this, but you will make even more money. I could start with advertisement. So you can advertise through AdMob in your application. So we have integration with Google AdMob, and for both Android and iOS, you can make money. How do you do this? You integrate easily the AdMob to your application, and then for each impression, you get paid. We have banner and interstitial methods, and we are also adding different advertisement networks, so it won't be on the AdMob. But if you go with AdMob, for example, let's make a calculation. If you have around 50,000 users in your application, only then you could make $1,000 per month. It's actually a good amount of money. And you can also use in-app purchase method. With this in-app purchase method, you will be able to sell digital products. So you could sell something like this. For example, I have this app, I made this one with Mobiroller, and I added Learn Turkish section. And to this section, I added lots of contents like vocabulary lists, common phrases, skill games. I also added some voice notes so people can listen and learn. So I could make this section to be subscribed. So if I add this in-app purchase to this section, only the people who pay monthly or quarterly or yearly, they can reach this section. So you can do something similar to this. What else you can do to make money with mobile app is, for example, you can make a business directory, and with this business directory, you can add your cities, for example, pet care offices, and you can use our contact module for this. You can add their title, address, phone, and email address, etc., and web address. You can add their photo. So you can make a business directory like this, and you can get paid from these people per year because you are adding their businesses to this application that you have thousands of users already. So they will be willing to pay to you for this. What else? So you can go to actually our blog, and in the blog you will be able to see which methods you can use to make money. We have a lot of articles over here, and in our support page as well, we have some methods. How can you make money? I told about in-app ads like AdMob. So here we have articles and documents of how to add advertisement in your application, and also in-app purchase module. We have articles of how can you add these in-app purchase into your application. And at the end, you will be making money. It could be an extra money. It could be your side hustle, or if you're a student, a broke student, we all have been there. It will definitely help you out to make more money. If you have questions about this, feel free to contact us. Bye bye.